Hi, and thank you for your question. You give us some background about the reasonable accommodation request and the fact that they offered alternative accommodations that didn't meet your needs. You also mentioned the fact that they did not really engage in an interactive process. But your question was you're going to go meet with the EO counselor and you kind of want to know what to expect on that. First off, I know you asked this question a long time ago, but I have to do these in chronological order, and I just don't have time to immediately respond to everybody. The other thing I want to point out to you, probably a little bit too late for you, but for other folks, is this is the type of question you really need to get to an employee attorney, a federal employee attorney, before this happens, right? So you really need to set up consultation with me, for example, or another federal employee attorney before you have this. The reason for that is because we simply cannot answer all of your questions and give you real and true guidance until we have a full picture. And just a few sentences on the screen here aren't enough to give me a full picture of what is going on. Now, having said that, for everybody out there, generally the initial meeting with the EO counselor is just to go over what your basic claims are. Are you making a claim pursuant to one of the EEO laws? If not, they'll let you know that that is not covered by whatever it is that you're bringing. Then they'll want to know exactly what are you saying has happened. In this case, it would be denied a reasonable accommodation. It could be harassment. It could be discrimination. It could be retaliation. What specific acts did the agency engage in? And then they'll also tell you about the process and how it moves forward. But, really it's too hard for me to tell you what to expect, what to focus on, what you need to know without actually having a conversation with you. So this is kind of a general idea of what goes on. Of course, now but anyone out there seeing this video, to the extent you can, try to consult with a federal employee attorney prior to that EEO counselor meeting. So, hope this helps.